Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the GT line specification. You get this lovely panoramic glass roof as well as 17-inch alloy wheels and reverse parking sensors. This car also features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions. We've got the 7-inch touchscreen that has DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth connectivity. We also get dual zone air conditioning, cruise control. This car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.